You've probably seen ads promising to set up your LLC for $0, which sounds great, right? But here's the catch. Those free setups sometimes lead to hidden fees, upsells, or missing pieces that cost you more later. So in this video, I'll show you which LLC services are actually worth it, where the price that you see is the price that you pay and nothing critical gets left out. And if you're wondering, why should you trust me? Well, it's pretty simple. I've personally created multiple LLCs. I've coached others on starting their own LLCs. And it also doesn't hurt that I've spent, I'd estimate over, 100 hours researching and creating a video to walk people through how to create an LLC in all 50 states in the US, which are all available on this YouTube channel that you're watching right now. So yeah, I'm the guy that has done all of that mind-numbing work, but that means that I know a thing or two about LLC formation services. And the truth is, choosing the wrong service today could cost you way more tomorrow with renewals and all the extra tricks out there. So let's go ahead and dive into the list. So the best overall, in my opinion, Northwest Registered Agent. Now, Northwest Registered Agent, they are widely known for putting small business owners first, especially if you care about privacy and want as few headaches as possible. For a flat $39 plus your state fees, you get LLC formation and 1 year of registered agent service for free. Now, in addition to that, Northwest Registered Agent allows you to keep your personal address off the public record and use their address instead, which is a huge win for your privacy. Now, after the first year, the registered agent renews at $125 per year, which is still very affordable compared to other top services. Northwest is also famous for not selling your data or spamming you with different upsells. You get lifetime customer support from real experts called corporate guides and annual report reminders so that you don't miss deadlines, and the ability to store your information and all your documents securely in their free online account. With Northwest Registered Agent, there's a strong emphasis on privacy with their privacy by default method, so your info really stays secure and you don't have to worry about third parties. Plus, their site is easy to use, and if you need extras like help getting an EIN or operating agreement template, mail forwarding, or even website setup, those features are available, but you're not forced into expensive packages. Northwest Registered Agent is the best overall pick if you want total transparency, reliable compliance support, and customer service that really feels genuinely helpful from day one. Now, if you want to check them out yourself and see what they're really all about, go ahead and click right up here or check out the link in the description below to get the absolute best pricing available that they offer. So that's why Northwest takes the top spot overall, but maybe you're someone who, likes having a big trusted brand behind your business, especially one with actual attorneys that you can lean on and even a free plan if you want it. Well, in that case, my next choice here might be a better fit. If you're the type who'd rather have a well-known all-in-one brand handle everything, especially the tricky legal parts, LegalZoom might be your best match. They've been around for over 2 decades and have helped millions of small business owners just like you form their LLCs, trademarks, and even draft contracts. Now, the biggest reason that people choose LegalZoom? Well, peace of mind. You get access to real attorneys who can step in when you need legitimate legal advice beyond LLC formation, which is something that most of the other platforms simply do not offer. Setting up your LLC is straightforward, right? And you're paying for experience, trust, and legal guidance that can save you from really expensive mistakes later down the road. Interestingly enough, and why I listed them as your best budget option too, is that they have a basic plan that starts at $0, which is pretty awesome. But if you want extras like an operating agreement or legal consultations, those can be bundled into a comprehensive plan with very clear and upfront pricing. Now, what really stands out with LegalZoom is how they offer unlimited 30-minute attorney consults about legal topics related to your business for 30 days once you sign up for a paid plan. Now, granted, the pricing for a paid plan is a little bit higher than Northwest, but having access to a lawyer when you're starting a business is pretty much invaluable as questions almost always come up. If affordability with a free plan or actual legal professionals with a paid plan are at the top of your list, LegalZoom is a really strong contender, and you can find the link for them right up here or again in the description below to check them out at any time. But if your top priority is actually simplicity to make things as simple as possible, there is another platform that does stand out. And that platform is Zen Business, which in my opinion is best for ease of use. So if you want an LLC formation platform that's almost as easy as ordering takeout, then Zen Business really is the way to go. Their site guides you step by step, making sure that you know exactly what's next. And you can form an LLC for a $0 fee. You just have to pay for the state fees. Now, with over 200,000 businesses formed, they do have a solid reputation for reliability and simplicity. Zen Business also includes free registered agent service for your first year, and their dashboard stores all of your important documents, sends reminders about different deadlines that you need to pay attention to, and offers a smooth way to add extras like an EIN, annual report filing, or website setup, all with clear pricing. So if you want advanced features, the Pro package is $199 plus the state fees. That adds things like the EIN registration and rush filing. And the premium option, which is $299 plus state fees, adds a business email and website builder too. The worry-free compliance feature that they have is perfect for beginners because it keeps your business in good standing and sends alerts before you miss important filings. And their customer support is often praised for being really friendly and quick to respond across chat, phone, or email. So overall, while some upsells like an EIN filing could be done yourself for free, Zen Business offers clarity and convenience that's really hard to beat if you want your LLC formation process to feel painless. Now, if you want to check out Zen Business, you can go ahead and check out the link in my description below. And just like any other platform that I mentioned in this video, those links will give you the best pricing that is available. Okay, so now that you really know the platforms that I recommend, let me give you some other hints that I think that you should really consider before starting your LLC to avoid some huge mistakes and headaches in the future. So first, get your EIN for free. You don't have to pay extra for an employer identification number. The IRS issues EINs in minutes, free of charge. You just have to get to their official site, fill out the form, and with practically instant results, they'll send it over to you. Next, you want to open a dedicated business bank account. So mixing your personal funds and your business funds is a really common rookie mistake, and it can threaten your liability protection, which is huge. So make sure that once the LLC is formed, that you use a separate account and a separate credit card for all your business transactions. Also, make sure that you draft an operating agreement. So even if it's not required by your state or you're a solo founder, create one. It clarifies how your business runs, it adds credibility, and it protects you if there's ever a dispute or someone leaves the business. Now you can find templates online or just, you can use an AI platform to develop one too. And if you have a really complicated situation, you can talk to a lawyer, but usually that's not needed. Also, watch out for compliance deadlines. This is huge. So most LLCs, they need to file annual reports and pay renewal fees. Missing those can mean penalties or suspension of your LLC. And services with compliance reminders or dashboards are a big help. And then double check your business name too. So make sure that your name, it isn't already taken or trademarked in your state, and consider checking for a matching web domain so that you're ready for online business. Now, having helped tons of new LLC owners dodge costs and mistakes, I can honestly say that I feel that Northwest Registered Agent is the best place to start. So if you want to make your LLC setup easy and secure, plus get the best possible pricing available from them, use my link right up here, or you can use the links in the description below to get the best support and never worry about compliance headaches again. Now, if you're a little bit confused about the options that I presented, or have a specific question related to one or something like that, please do me a favor, comment below and ask your question. I actually check my comments and respond to them myself, and I love helping people, so I would love to help you out. But as always, I do want to thank you for watching this video, and I will see you in the next one.